Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will show you how to pay your invoice emailed to you by your caseworker. Let us access the client portal. If you do not have access to the client portal, you may ask your caseworker to supply you with the link and login credentials. You are now logged in and will see an Invoices tab, as well as a Deposit Funds tab. Let us first focus on paying an invoice. You will now see all invoices you need to make a payment on. You will see 3 buttons next to the invoice. One is to see the invoice, one is to pay the invoice, and the third is any payment plan applied. If wanting to view the invoice, click the Open button, and you will be brought into the invoice. This is the same invoice emailed to you. The next button we'll review is your payment plan. When clicked, it will bring up details of your payment plan such as due date, current balance, any overdue balance, payment amount due, and so forth. Once you are ready to make a payment, you will click on the dollar amount. Depending on the settings your caseworker has, you can either enter a payment card or banking information. If choosing payment card, you will enter the amount, either the whole amount or the ones seen in the payment plan details, the card number, the expiration date, the security code, your billing street address, and your billing zip code. Once added, you will click Apply. If going the ACH route, you will enter the amount, the routing number, the accounting number, the account type, and account holder type. Once finished, click Applied. Once applied, the payment has now been submitted. The last thing to show you on this video is depositing funds for a trust account. It is important to note that you must only apply funds here if you are directed by the caseworker. To deposit a fund, you will visit the homepage and click on Deposit Fund. You will be instructed to enter your payment card information, same as before. Once finished adding your info, you will click on the Submit Fund button. The payment has now been stored in your profile. Your caseworker will be alerted, and this trust account fund can now be used by your caseworker on invoices. This concludes our video on making a payment in the client portal. Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.